loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Lisa. Definitely make sure you subscribe. So today I am finally going to be talking about how I relax my hair at home. And I've had so many questions about this, and I've actually filmed this before, but I didn't like how it turned out, and obviously you can't refilm that right away. Like, you have to wait until you have to relax your hair again. So I relaxed my hair yesterday and I filmed it all, and I'm just going to kind of talk you through it. So yeah, if you're interested in knowing how I relax my hair at home, then just keep on watching. Now, before I get into everything, I do want to give a couple disclaimers and kind of some background on my relaxed hair. So first disclaimer is I'm not telling you to do this at home. I think it's a huge risk, and you can definitely risk burning your scalp or having your hair fall out by doing it yourself at home if you're not experienced. So I would always suggest getting it done at a salon. But personally for me, since I was young, my mom has always done it for me and she knows exactly how to do it. We kind of do the same thing every time and it's worked out, but that doesn't mean it's gonna happen for everyone. So I do just want to say, like, you shouldn't do it at home. If you can get it done at a salon, I would suggest that. But this is just what I've always done, and I just wanted to kind of share my experience with you guys. I've been relaxed since I was like, I don't know, maybe 8 years old or something. And, ooh, the sun just came out. My mom has always done it for me, and it's always worked out. So yeah, this is how we do it, and I'm just going to share everything with you guys. First thing I do, which I've only recently started doing, is apply coconut oil to like the ends of my hair. This is just to kind of protect them, also because you're going to be shampooing your hair quite a couple of times to really get the relaxer out, and that can dry out your hair obviously. So I put in coconut oil to protect my ends, and also just in case some relaxer gets on there, it's kind of protected by the coconut oil. And then my mom goes in and sections my hair off in about 4 sections. We usually kind of discuss like how much new growth I have, which side is a bit thicker than the other, so like where we need to start first. This time around, the back of my head was like super thick, so we started there. One thing I also prefer doing is getting to my hairline at the end, because obviously it's a lot thinner here, it's a lot less coarse for me personally, and I feel like it's just more prone to like breaking off, burning and all of that. So usually when we're finished with like my whole head, we do my hairline, and then I kind of time between 12 and 15 minutes depending on how much is already burning. I do have to say this one was actually burning quite a lot, so I think I washed it out after like 8 minutes. Definitely just check the instructions of your box relaxer, whichever one you're using, and kind of go off of your feeling. Like, don't leave it in for 15 minutes if it's like really burning your scalp. Like, you can just wash it out because it's obviously working. I have been using the ORS olive oil relaxer for the moment I stopped using the like kids relaxer. I moved on to this one, and I've just been really liking it. I know there's like a newer version which includes like an oil into the mixture, which the one I used this time wasn't that one because I didn't have it in stock. But I do prefer that one more because it just makes your hair feel softer after. I don't know, but that's the relaxer I use. And then obviously I rinse it out. I shampoo my hair like 4 to 5 times, kind of depending on how it feels. Like, if I've washed it out already, I first kind of rinse out as much of the relaxer as I can, use the shampoo. It all comes in the box. I just use whatever comes in there, and then I put the conditioner in. I literally use the whole packet, which honestly isn't even enough, but I use all of that. Sometimes I add in a hair mask if I want to, but usually I just use whatever's in the box, and I let that sit while I'm like shaving my body, doing everything, and then I rinse it out. Then I just put my hair in a towel and I let it sit for a little bit, get dressed, whatever, and I first do like a little blowout. I've been loving the Dyson blow dryer, which is really expensive. I work with them, so they send it to me for free, but I do have to say it's such an amazing blow dryer. It also comes with an attachment which has like a comb, but I actually feel like I get a straighter and sleeker look if I just use my Denman brush and then like follow it by the blow dryer. Just, you know, need a little bit of technique. After doing that a couple times, you'll get it. then I go in and straighten it, and that's pretty much my whole relaxing routine. I am kind of working on a new hair care routine, so I'm not really going to go into detail of the products that I use after washing, because I'm just kind of trying to figure out some new products to use because I don't feel like I have a good routine right now. Also, my hair is definitely like broken off at the top, but I did wear my hair in cornrows for a couple of weeks, and I feel like it already did a whole lot, made my hair grow a lot faster too, which is why I had to relax at this time because I had so much new growth. It was getting so thick. But I'm probably going to go back to cornrows within the next couple of weeks, just to kind of give my hair a break. It has definitely gotten a lot longer since the last time that I relaxed my hair, and I feel like it's slowly getting close to the length that it was before I cut my hair into a bob. But I do have a lot of breakage on top, and kind of like the front pieces, the ends are quite thinned out. Like the back, everything is really healthy, but then the front pieces are just kind of damaged, broken off. So that's why I want to wear cornrows for a while and just wear wigs as a protective style, so those pieces can kind of grow out a little bit more and I can get it cut and, like, you know, it'll be healthy again. Yeah, I think that is all. I do just also want to say, like, I know there's gonna be people in the comments being like, are you ever gonna go natural? Why aren't you natural? Right now, it's just not the time for me. I've tried it a couple of times, tried to transition, didn't really work out. Currently, I'm not interested in transitioning. I just feel like I have so much going on that I don't have time to put that much care into my hair, because transitioning and like being natural just needs a lot more TLC, which I am not gonna be able to give it right now. I already know it. Like, I'm too lazy for it. I have too much going on. It's not a priority. So that's why being relaxed for me is still just the easiest route to go. I think that's all. I don't really have anything else to mention. If there's any other questions you have, leave them down below and I'll make sure to answer them. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and of course subscribe. Also, make sure to turn on my post notifications so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram. I will have it on the screen right here and link down below. I love talking to you guys, so definitely hit me up and like DM me or whatever. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.